Welcome to the Nexus International University Academics Eras. Today, we study a discipline that decides whether organizations thrive or fade, organizational development. By the end of this lesson, you will understand how organizations grow, change and renew themselves, and why this knowledge is one of the most valuable skills a leader can hold. Let us begin with the puzzle. Why do some organizations flourish for generations, while others, once mighty, collapse and disappear? Same markets, same technology, same opportunities, yet vastly different fates. The answer rarely lies in luck. It lies in the ability to adapt, to learn, and to change deliberately. That ability has a name: organizational development. So let us define our subject carefully. Organizational development, often shortened to OD, is a planned, systematic effort to improve an organization's effectiveness and health, through deliberate change in its people, processes and culture. Notice three key words. Planned, this is not accidental. Systematic, it follows a method. And health, OD cares not only about profit, but about the long-term well-being of the whole organization. This is what sets OD apart. It does not chase a quick fix. It builds the lasting capacity of an organization to keep improving itself, long after any single change is done. Now, to understand OD, we must understand its foundation. And that foundation is a single, powerful idea, that an organization is a living system. An organization is not just a chart of boxes and lines. It is people, relationships, beliefs and habits, all connected. Change one part, and you affect the whole. This systems thinking is the heart of organizational development. Because of this, OD looks beyond the surface. A drop in performance is rarely just one person's fault. It is usually a symptom of something deeper, in the structure, the culture, or the way people work together. This brings us to one of the most important ideas in the entire field: organizational culture. Culture has been described, simply, as the way we do things around here. It is the shared values, beliefs and unwritten rules that guide how people behave. Culture is invisible, yet immensely powerful. It can drive an organization to greatness, or quietly hold it back for years. Here is a vital lesson. You can change a structure overnight, but culture changes slowly. Many grand plans fail not because the strategy was wrong, but because the culture was never brought along. Culture, as the saying goes, eats strategy for breakfast. So how does organizational development actually work in practice? It follows a recognizable process. Let us walk through it, step by step. It begins with diagnosis. Before treating anything, we must understand it. Through surveys, interviews and observation, we gather honest data about what is really happening inside the organization. Next comes feedback. The findings are shared openly with the people involved. This matters deeply, because in OD, change is done with people, not to them. Involvement creates ownership. Then we move to intervention, the deliberate actions taken to bring about improvement. These are the tools of change, and there are many. An intervention might focus on individuals, through coaching and training. It might focus on teams, through team building and better collaboration. Or it might reshape the whole organization, through new structures, processes or strategy. After the intervention comes evaluation. Did it work? What changed? What did we learn? OD is honest about results, and willing to adjust. And then the cycle begins again, because improvement never truly ends. Now we must confront the greatest challenge in all of organizational development: resistance to change. Because people, quite naturally, resist change. And understanding why is essential. People resist for understandable reasons. Fear of the unknown. Comfort with old habits. Worry about losing status, or simply not understanding why change is needed. Resistance is not stubbornness. It is human. So how do we overcome it? Not by force, but by wisdom. We communicate clearly and honestly. We involve people early. We explain the reasons. We support them through the transition. And we lead by example. A helpful way to picture change comes from the thinker Kurt Lewin, who described 3 simple stages. First, unfreeze, prepare people, and loosen old ways. Then change, introduce the new approach. And finally, refreeze, make the new way the normal way, so it lasts. This last stage is so often forgotten. Without it, people quietly slip back to the old ways, and all the effort is lost. Real change must be anchored until it becomes habit. Now, why does organizational development matter so deeply for Africa? Because our institutions, businesses, governments, universities, hospitals, must grow stronger, more effective and more resilient to meet enormous challenges. It is not enough to import strategies from elsewhere. Our organizations need the internal capacity to learn, adapt and renew themselves from within. That capacity is exactly what OD builds. And this is why skilled professionals are so valued. OD consultant, change manager, human resources leader, organizational coach, talent and culture specialist. These are influential, respected and rewarding careers, needed in every sector. So as we close, hold on to the essentials. Organizational development is planned, systematic improvement. It treats the organization as a living system. Culture is its deepest force. Change follows a cycle of diagnosis, intervention and evaluation. And managing resistance, with empathy, is the true art. In a world of constant change, the organizations that survive will be those that learn to change well. And the leaders who guide them will be those who understand exactly how. At Nexus International University, Uganda, you can become one of them. Study organizational development through our hybrid learning and teaching model, online and on campus, built for the way you live and learn. Learn from anywhere, connect when it matters, and move forward without putting your ambitions on hold. Whatever your starting point, there is a pathway built for you. Enroll in a micro-credential to build job-ready skills fast. A bachelor's for your complete foundation. A postgraduate diploma to deepen your expertise. Or a master's to reach the highest level. One program to suit every stage of your journey. Expand your horizons at Nexus International University, Uganda. Enroll now. Visit www.nui.ac.ug today, and take the first step towards the future you deserve. Nexus International University. Boundless by design.